Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my bronzers, blushes, and highlighter collections for you for this round of my makeup inventory. So let's just get into my bronzers. I have four. This one by Cover FX. This is the face palette we got in BoxyCharm. Let me show you. So this is the face palette we got in BoxyCharm, so it's really pretty. I'm going to give it a try. I think these colors will work for me. This is the light to medium one, so hopefully they work. Let me show you the bronzers. Let me open the packages. Hold on. Okay, this one here is the Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. This is the Too Faced Soulmates Blushing Bronzer in the shade Carrie and Big. I got that one specifically for the name because I'm a big Sex and the City fan, so this is the Too Faced and this is the Tarte. This one is the Too Faced Sweetie Pie Bronzer. So cute. Like that. Looks like a pie lattice, you know? I thought that's cute. And this one is the IT Cosmetics Ombre Radiance Bronzer in Warm Radiance. So that is that. That's all my bronzers, so let's move on to blushes. Okay, this is all my blushes. I have the Becca Blush with Light palette, the MAC Mineralized Blush in New Romance, the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, the Wet n Wild Color Icon Baked Blush in Don't Flutter Yourself. This is from the Flights of Fancy collection. I'll be honest, I bought the whole collection. I barely kept anything from it because I just didn't work for me. So there's that. Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten Blush in Tropic Hues. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. Let me open. Here's the blush. It's so pretty. This is the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Just Curious blush. The Wet n Wild Color Icon Ombre Blush in Mai Tai Buy You a Drink. The Disney Villains, I think it was by Walgreens, I think. This is the blush in Jealous. Has the Evil Queen. Had to have it. Pacifica Blush Duo in Beaming and Tender Heart. The Too Faced Papa Don't Peach Blush. Let me show you. There's the Papa Don't Peach blush. Here's the blush palette I have. On the left is Wisteria, in the middle is Songbird, and on the right is Snapdragon. I bought two of them. I have no idea how, but I traded one off and I forgot about the other one until I started cleaning and I found that one. So anyway, my last one is from the Balm. This is the Balm Beach blush. And there that is for you. Okay, next I'm going to go into highlighters. Okay, these are my highlighting sticks or liquids and one loose powder. So let me swatch for you for a second, then we'll go over which swatch belongs to which item. So hold on a second. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. Starting from this L'Oreal all the way here. This one is Cosmo Pink. And that's the first swatch. You see that purpley pink? And this one is Astro Blue. See that blue? Next one is Makeup Revolution Dragon's Blood. It's that dot of pink right there. Next is the JCat Aura Glow in White Goddess. That's the yellowy white spot next to that pink. This one is Pacifica Rainbow Crystals in the shade Unicorn. That's the one right there. And this one is, the last one on this hand is Tarteist by Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in Stunner. I'll swatch them out. Hold on a second. Okay, here they are, swatched out a little bit better. I really like that Dragon's Blood. It's so pretty. Anyway, let's move on to my other hand. Okay. Top swatch is the Wet n Wild loose highlighting powder in Written in the Stars. Next is the Pretties for Your Face whipped highlighter in Meringue. Maybe it's whipped meringue, I'm not sure. But anyway, it's this goldy one right here, the underneath that powder one. Next one is the Laura Geller Easy Illuminating Stick in the shade Ethereal. It's that, I don't know if you can see. There you go. That pink. The blue one is Unicorn Tears by Too Faced. See the blue. And this last one over here on the side. I have my window open for this and I can't get good lighting. That's so sad. Anyway, oops. The last one is the Tyra Beauty Stick in Sensational City. Oh, you can barely see it, but anyway, those are my highlighting sticks. Let's move on to my highlighting palettes and regular highlighters. Okay, these are all my highlighting palettes. We have the Morphe Babe in Paradise times Bretman, the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cool Glow, LA Splash Lumos, LA Splash Golden Gatsby, and Anastasia Aurora. Let me open them for you. Okay, the first one is the Bretman and Morphe collab. Here's the swatches for you. They're not the best, so I'm sorry. First we have Baby Girl, Vacation, Mahu, Get Laid, Chihu, and Shady Bitch. So it'll be going right to left. You can barely see the first one. So those are them. Okay, this is the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia. So pretty. It kind of reminds me of the Makeup Revolution one. It has some of the same colors. Well, kind of like a mashup, like the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit and the Moonchild Glow Kit. This ultra cool one from Revolution Makeup is kind of like a mashup between the two because it has the, whoops, it has the green from Helia, has the purple from like Spectra, has Lyra, And it has Luna, like a Luna shade, like this little one in the corner. But the other ones can be from the Moonchild. So that's why I got that. So that's pretty cool. Then we have this one from LA Splash. This is Lumos. It has Jinx, Lumos, Illuminate, and Hex. Those are pretty. I like them. Check out my nails. Okay, this last one is from LA Splash. It is from their Great Gatsby collection. I love the little flapper lady in the inside cover. Here's the outer cover. I think that's pretty cool. This is the highlighting palette. It's called Old Money. That gold is picking up really yellow in the light, but it's not as bright, if you know what I mean. Yeah, it's pretty. I like it. Okay. Let's move on to my other highlighters. Okay, this is the rest of my highlighting collection. I forgot a couple sticks. These are from Pure. They're from the My Little Pony collection. Let me swatch them for you. Okay, here's the swatches for you. From top to bottom is Blissful, Joyful, and Cheerful. Now, Cheerful's kind of funny because Cheerful is like a bright pink color, but the highlighter comes out iridescent gold. So that's kind of cool. Those are kind of nice. I've tried to use them as eyeshadow. That didn't work, so I'm maybe play around with them for this month's or April's makeup basket. So, okay, let's move on. Okay, this is the Wet n Wild Royal Calyx, Wet n Wild White Raven. Kind of has like a skull relief in the pan. Thought that's cool. Whoops. This is the Winter Falls in LA from their Game of Thrones inspired collection. And this is the Halo Walkers from that same collection. I think this is from their Gothographic collection with the skull. And this is just their regular highlighter. Okay. Let's see. This is the Pretty Vulgar in Shimmering Swan. Physician's Formula Butter Bronzer in Pink or Rose. This one is in Champagne. Oh, here's the other one. This is from their Gothographic collection, Wet n Wild. This is Purple Ashes. Okay. Okay. This is the Pixie and Aspen Ovard and London Luster. This is the Too Faced Peach Frost in Happy Face. This is Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Dark Horse. This is the e.l.f. highlighting duo in Siren's Call. That's just a different color for them. So, okay. This is the e.l.f. times Heart Defensor. I have no idea who she is, but palette is the highlighting duo is pretty. It's called Coffee and Cream. This I got through Urban Decay. It was like their birthday gift one year. This is their 8-hour highlighter in Sin. This is Winky Lux, and it's going to be the shade Charm. Let me open it. This is in the shade Charm. This is from Mirabella. It's in the shade Swirling Pearl. This is Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Wet Dream. I love that gold. It's so pretty. And my last one is another Supreme Frost by Jeffree Star. This was in Hypothermia. I love that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this part of my makeup inventory. Next time I'll be doing my setting sprays and eyeshadow palettes. So as I'm going through my makeup and organizing everything, I've been decluttering, so I will show you what I've been decluttering. So if any of you guys may be interested in anything, just, you know, drop me an email or private message me or anything. So that declutter video should be coming up soon. So yeah, this is my makeup inventory for highlighters, blushes, and bronzers. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.